Are you willing to try just about anything to get better looking skin? There are some really good things out there to try, but there are also some things that are not so good. And there are a few of them that sound like they would be really very good for your face, but it might surprise you to find out they're really not. Well, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new and you don't know who I am, I'm Chris Gibson, and I'm here to help you learn how to get beautiful looking skin without emptying your wallet and not doing yourself more harm than good. So if that's your thing, hit that subscription button and the little notification bell so that you know when my new videos are out each week. Okay, so as someone who reviews and tests hundreds of products a year, I know that there are some ingredients in skincare that can be very detrimental to your skin. And there are a lot of things out there that we think sound like they should logically be really good for our skin, but they actually can do more harm than good. So today I'm going to cover my top 6 things to never, ever, 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 ever put on your face. And up at number 1 is rubbing alcohol. Now, it seems at first like this should be a great way to remove oil, dirt, and makeup. But alcohol is very astringent, harsh, and drying. And while it's true, it is in many skincare products like cleansers and toners. I rarely recommend those because of the dryness that it creates, especially for guys that have extra dry skin or sensitive skin. Straight alcohol will feel very cooling when you use it on your skin at first, but it strips far too much of your natural oil, and it actually tells your skin, because of the dryness, to produce more oil. So if you're a person that has really oily skin or you're acne prone, you're not doing yourself any favors. In fact, when I was battling my own acne issues, this is one of the first things that I did was go out and use straight rubbing alcohol on my skin. I thought, why not? It'll get the oil off, it'll kill bacteria and do all those things. Actually made my problem worse. All right, next up is bar soap. And yes, guys, I'm talking to you, but we've all done this at one time or another. I know I have. Bar soap is really not good or formulated for facial skin. First of all, it is packed very much so with surfactants, again, sulfates. It also usually has a lot of waxes or oils and fragrance, which can be very irritating to skin. So bar soap is designed for your body, which is fine, but not for your face. Think of it this way, that nice lathering that you get is caused by surfactants or sodium lauryl sulfate. And again, this is the same stuff they put in laundry detergent to make that clean your clothes. So very, very astringent, very harsh and irritating. Let's keep the bar soap to the body parts if you're going to use it. That brings us to petroleum jelly as the next item never to put on your face. And that is, of course, known as Vaseline. Now, the thing you need to know about petroleum jelly is, and many dermatologists back me up on this, it's comedogenic. It will block pores, trap oil and bacteria down in the pore, and can lead to breakouts, especially if you have acne-prone skin. Now, I know there's this whole slugging craze that's going on where people are slathering on Vaseline at night, either as a moisturizer or as a moisturizing cap over their skincare ingredients, supposedly to help them work better. But please, folks, no, no, no. Petroleum jelly is a byproduct of petroleum. It's actually collected as sweat inside the petroleum oil barrels, and then it is refined and made into a product. There are good uses for petroleum jelly on the body, for wound healing, for like severe dryness, cracked skin, but it is not designed to be used on the face as a moisturizer. It also can be very irritating to some people's skin. Some people are actually allergic to the petroleum ingredients. So really not a good choice. Let's stick to facial moisturizers that are designed with hyaluronic acid and water that are going to help hydrate the face and keep it looking youthful. Okay, for you all natural skincare aficionados, of which I am one of you guys, we're going to talk about citrus juice and not applying that to the skin. Straight out citrus juice, namely lemon juice, is used by many people to lighten and brighten the complexion, or that's the goal at least. But unbuffered, unbalanced citric acid or L-ascorbic acid can be very irritating and even burn skin tissues. So the better option here would be to use a vitamin C serum that's formulated where it's buffered. It also is balanced out to a percentage that is not going to be harmful to your skin and actually give you the benefits that you're looking for. So vitamin C serum, no lemons. Next up, we have using body moisturizer as a skin moisturizer. Some people do this even in a pinch. The problem with this is, and I learned this the hard way firsthand, is that these lotions are not formulated for the skin on your face. They are formulated with a lot heavier oils, waxes, and non-nanoceramides. They're designed to be able to trap moisture in the skin, which is great, and to be able to do that under clothing so that the friction of your clothing doesn't wear away that ceramide layer that's protecting your skin. You don't need that on your face, obviously. Also, these formulations often have extra ingredients like fragrance and fragrance oils. Very heavy on those, and they can be very debilitating and irritating to the skin, causing rashes, breakouts, and irritation. We want to choose a moisturizer that's formulated for facial tissue, that's water-based, uses hyaluronic acid, which can trap moisture, keep your skin looking plump, young, youthful, and beautiful. So put that body moisturizer back where it belongs and stick to things that are designed for your face. All right, you're going to need to prepare yourself for this next one. I'm warning you, you've been warned. We're talking about things like bird poop, snail slime, and yes, semen. And while I know there are giggles out there about this, it really is a serious topic because there are a lot of places that offer these types of facials using these types of ingredients. And there are some big time problems I have with these, at least in my opinion. First of all, snail slime, bird poop, high octane bacteria. Really dangerous to have that kind of bacteria on your skin. If it gets in your mouth, in your nostrils, or in your eyes, it can be very problematical. Is that a word? Problematical. And then there's semen, which we don't know where it came from. It could have STDs, and many STDs are transmitted through the mouth and eyes. So those three items are big no-nos in my book. Let's stick to skincare that is safe and designed to be effective for your skin. Now, I hope this video helped you guys out today. If it did, please give it a like and a comment, and be sure to check out the channel for other videos on all these topics like vitamin C serums, products, and steps that will help you get the perfect skin care routine for your skin. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay beautiful, and I'll see you over on the next video.